Guys, just got a quick one for you. Welcome back. This is Rando Geek. All right, so Metro by T-Mobile currently has a promotion on a Pixel 6a. So if you've been looking to test it or if you want a second device, whatever the reason may be, check it out. It's available in black. They have one color, 128 gigabytes of storage. It's $50 if you get a new phone number, and supposed to be $0 if you bring your own number. Now, as you can see here in the fine print, you may have to go into a store for that, which means that you may not get it for free, but you can definitely get it for 50 for sure. If you go to checkout, pay the 50, you'll get it. Estimated ship time, depending on location, of course. But it's a good phone. I'll give you guys a view of the specs here. 12 megapixel camera, ultra wide, plus 12.2 megapixel dual pixel wide, 16.46 hours talk time. I'll tell you, I have this phone already. The battery's pretty good. I did a review on this phone actually a couple videos ago, and I gave my honest review on it. It's a good phone. I paid $299 during a Black Friday deal. If you're getting this phone for 50, it's a steal. It's a very good deal for 50. It's a very good deal for 100. 300 is not a bad deal. It's argumental. You know, it depends on your views on how much you want to pay for a phone, but good phone, especially for 100 or less. Excellent phone, actually, for 100 or less. 6.1-inch screen, 24 by 1080 pixels, smooth, Android 13, probably going to get up to at least Android 15. I think it'll probably stop around there. I think Pixel does 3 updates, so it unboxed with 12, got 13, and like I said, you'll get 14, and then most likely you'll get 15. So for your Android updates, there's all the specs here: Google Tensor processor, adaptive battery, can last over 24 hours, Magic Eraser, Real Tone, Live Translate, IP6 water and dust protection. Nice smooth screen. Does what it needs to do. It's clean. Only thing I said is I wish it was just a little bit bigger. I wish the screen was like 6.3, 6.4 inch. Other than that, great. It doesn't come with the wall charger. USB to USB-C to USB-C adapter. That's it. So most phones don't come with that anymore. But again, for the price, it's not bad. I think that if you're looking for a second device, or just to upgrade your device, I think you'll like this phone. All right, guys, I'll leave the link for you in the description just to check it out. I'm not affiliated with Metro in any way, so I will not be getting any kickbacks if you buy it, but it's just to show you what it is. So be sure to hit that like button before you leave, and consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all the latest technology information that I can provide to you. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.